Physicians in general are very risk averse. We work in ways that mitigate risk and reduce harm. And in general, there are very hierarchical decision structures, right? It has to be approved by this committee and that committee and, the chair and all the way up. As opposed to entrepreneurship is hypothesis-driven experimentation. A lot of entrepreneurs will say fail, but fail fast, right? And you've got to you try something and it fails, and then you try something else and you try something else. Entrepreneurship is riddled with experimentation and failure, something that in clinical medicine we try and avoid. There's rapid iteration and learning loops. Again, this might appeal to the people who like that CHIE process. There is calculated risk taking. You have to be a little bit of a risk taker, I think, to be an entrepreneur. You have to be, have agile decision making, flat, regular, ready to go, and generally adaptable. That's a valuable trait in entrepreneurship.